What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. So I got these hooks from Amazon, and I wanted some hooks in the garage because when the kids come home, you know, they have somewhere to put their book bags up, and you know, we could put our keys up and stuff like that. So I wanted to post something in the garage so when they come in, it's less clutter in the closet or wherever you have your kids put their book bags and everybody put their keys and stuff in the drawer or whatever. This is an 8-piece set. I put a piece of board up already. I bought this piece of board pressure treated, and now I put it up. I made sure it was level. It looks pretty level to me. 12 inches apart from each other. So we will see how that will be, because I will have a little bit extra space for a few more to put in between. But I will be putting, like, you know, you can hang your book bag. When the kids come home, they can hang their book bag and stuff like that. So if you do have space in your garage, this will be a good idea to get these little hooks, get a piece of board, and have yourself a little hook rack. So I am going to put the rest of them up. I got too excited, you guys. I just wanted to hurry up and put up the board. Sorry, I should have did the whole thing in a video, but you know, it is what it is. I got too excited. All right, so link will be in the description for these hooks. All right, I'm just putting on one at a time, and then I'll put the other ones on. Came up just a little too high. I feel the bump, but I'm not going to be putting. If I put something up there, it'll be like levelers like that or something, just for fun. Everything looks good, you guys.